Understanding the effects of status on behavior and relationships, status plays a crucial role in shaping human behavior and relationships. It influences how individuals perceive themselves and others, impacting social dynamics in various contexts such as the workplace, family, and broader society. This article explores the psychological effects of status on behavior and relationships, highlighting key theories, research findings, and practical implications. 1. The concept of status. Status refers to the social rank or position an individual holds within a group or society. It can be derived from various factors such as wealth, education, occupation, or social connections. Status can be either ascribed, inherited, or achieved, earned through individual effort. 2. Theoretical perspectives on status. Several psychological theories provide insights into the effects of status on behavior and relationships. A social comparison theory, proposed by Leon Festinger in 1954, social comparison theory suggests that individuals evaluate their own abilities and worth by comparing themselves to others. Status plays a critical role in this process, as people often compare themselves to those of higher or lower status to assess their own standing and self-worth. B. Self-categorization theory, developed by John Turner and his colleagues. Self-categorization theory posits that individuals categorize themselves and others into social groups based on various criteria, including status. This categorization influences behavior, as people tend to conform to the norms and expectations associated with their group's status. C. Status characteristics theory. This theory, developed by Joseph Berger and colleagues, argues that certain characteristics, such as age, gender, race, and occupation, are often used to infer an individual's status. These status characteristics can shape interactions, with higher status individuals often having more influence and control over group dynamics. 3. Effects of status on behavior. Status significantly influences individual behavior in several ways. A. Confidence and self-esteem. Higher status is generally associated with greater confidence and self-esteem. Individuals with higher status often feel more competent and valued, leading to assertive and proactive behavior. Conversely, lower status can lead to feelings of inferiority, reduced self-esteem, and submissive behavior. B. Decision-making and risk-taking. Status affects decision-making processes. Higher status individuals are more likely to take risks and make bold decisions due to their confidence and perceived control over outcomes. Lower status individuals may be more cautious and conservative in their decision-making, fearing negative consequences. C. Communication patterns. Status influences communication styles and patterns. Higher status individuals often dominate conversations, speak more confidently, and are more likely to interrupt others. Lower status individuals may speak less, adopt a more deferential tone, and be more attentive listeners. 4. Effects of status on relationships. Status not only affects individual behavior but also shapes interpersonal relationships. A. Power dynamics. Status creates power imbalances in relationships. Higher status individuals often have more influence and control, leading to asymmetric power dynamics. These imbalances can impact relationship satisfaction and stability, with lower status individuals potentially feeling undervalued or oppressed. B. Social networks. Status influences the formation and maintenance of social networks. Higher status individuals tend to have larger, more diverse networks, providing access to valuable resources and opportunities. Lower status individuals may have smaller, less diverse networks, limiting their social capital. C. Conflict and cooperation. Status can impact conflict and cooperation within relationships. Higher status individuals may be more assertive in conflicts, while lower status individuals might avoid confrontation to maintain harmony. In cooperative settings, higher status individuals often take on leadership roles, while lower status individuals may assume supportive positions. 5. Mitigating negative effects of status. While status can have significant effects on behavior and relationships, there are strategies to mitigate its negative impacts. A. Promoting inclusivity. Creating inclusive environments where individuals of all statuses feel valued and respected can reduce the negative effects of status. This involves promoting diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives in various settings, from workplaces to educational institutions. B. Encouraging empowerment. Empowering lower status individuals by providing them with opportunities for growth and development can help balance power dynamics. Mentorship programs, leadership training, and skill building initiatives can enhance their confidence and capabilities. C. Fostering open communication. Encouraging open and transparent communication can help address power imbalances and improve relationships. Creating spaces where individuals can voice their opinions and concerns without fear of retribution promotes mutual respect and understanding. Understanding the effects of status on behavior and relationships is essential for fostering healthy social dynamics. By recognizing the influence of status and implementing strategies to mitigate its negative impacts, individuals and organizations can create more equitable and harmonious environments. Let us know what you think of this psychological article. Your feedback is important to us. Also share this useful video to as many useful people as possible. Don't forget to follow us for more such updates related to psychology. See you here soon with a new topic. Thank you.